In this video, we will cover downloading the John Deere Operations Center mobile app using an iPhone or an iPad. The first method is using the John Deere App Center. The John Deere App Center can be found in the App Store just by searching John Deere App Center. The John Deere App Center is great. So if we open it up, you can see that it has the Operations Center mobile app, but also quick access to the Connect Mobile, the Equipment Mobile, and all of the other great apps that John Deere offers. The other way we can download the John Deere Operations Center mobile app is by directly searching for it in the App Store. So open up our App Store again, search John Deere Operations Center. And you can see again, I already have it downloaded, but go ahead, download the Operations Center mobile app. We'll open it up. And if it is your first time opening up this app after downloading it, you will log in. And then also select your organization. Now that we are in the John Deere Operations Center mobile app, we will do a quick overview of the 5 tabs. Starting with our Home tab, this is our dashboard showing us what is currently going on in our organization. Starting at the top, we have a progress bar. That'll show us where we're at with current operations. We have alerts, active equipment and active work. We have both daily and weekly summaries, along with a weather tab. That weather shows us the weather currently at the location of our mobile device. And then we are also able to see rainfall totals for fields. We can do that based on either this season, or if you tap on that tab, you can change that to yesterday, the last 24 hours, or since midnight. Next, we will go to the Map tab. The Map tab looks very similar to what we see in the Operations Center web. We're able to see fields, equipments, and the big addition for Op Center Mobile is flags. You can see here, if we tap on flags, we're able to go through, and if we were to select one, it'll even take us to the location that that flag is at. This is also where we're going to see our field analytics. So if we want to analyze the data from a field, we can select this pivot, and you can see here that we're looking at a productivity map for the mowing operation of 2024. Moving forward to our Setup tab, you can see we have equipment, land, products, and team, just like an Operations Center web. This allows us to make changes directly from our mobile device. We can add an implement, we can change some boundaries, check on a tank mix, manage staff permissions, do all of that right from your mobile device, and it eliminates that trip back to the office to use a desktop. Moving on to our Plan tab, this is where we're going to check in on our work plans, maybe create something last minute, view what's been completed. All that can be done from the Plan tab. And then Analyze, just like we see in Operations Center web. We're able to see all of the analytics, all of the details from our fields, and we can even filter that by equipment or operator.